In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Watch Series 6 to iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Apple Watch, regardless of the series, and connecting it to an iPhone 14 Pro Max or any other model is extremely simple. I'm going to give you instructions that you can follow to set them up. So to start, power on the Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Now, once this is done, usually there's going to be a pop-up telling you to hold your iPhone near your Apple Watch. So all that you have to do is put both devices in close proximity, and immediately upon doing this, it is going to be picked up. So there will be a notification on screen telling you to set up the new Apple Watch. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected through the Watch application where you can set it up for yourself. So you will be able to customize the watch face, the apps, and a lot of other settings regarding this connection. If this doesn't happen automatically, you can just go over and open the Apple Watch application and then set up for yourself. Once again, you will be able to put them in close proximity or scan the Apple Watch with your camera. By doing this, you will be able to get them connected just like the automatic pairing method. Ensure that both devices are updated, so if needed, update your iPhone 14 Pro Max or any other model to the latest iOS version, and ensure that the Apple Watch Series 6 is running the latest Watch OS version as well. Restart both devices if you encounter any issues, and usually this can be easily done by just putting them in close proximity. You will have access to full customization of the watch, and once it is connected, it is going to remain like that. So you will be able to receive all texts, calls, and see a lot of applications inside of your watch. You can use it at any time, and you can unpair them later down the line if you want to. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Watch Series 6 to iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.